So now you're going to see how we try to refurbish these already beautiful 18-inch wheels. Before we start, we'll need to tackle this mess a little bit, so here's that. So the idea here would be to tackle it with an orbital sander, B180. Fully aware that this is going to damage the profile of the rim. And afterwards I'm going to go just by hand, manually, and sand it. But it is kind of working, so the deeper scratches are not going anywhere, and probably I'm going to fill them with aluminum body. Yeah, and this goes without saying, this is obviously not a tutorial. This is the way I do it, and I'm completely aware that it's probably not the right way, but I have limited knowledge and tools, so this is the way I want to make it work. Right, to my knowledge they're all done. Next thing would be to give them a good wash. The wheels are nice and clean. I'm going to tape them and go ahead and spray some filler. In order to mask them, I'm going to use a large bin bag, I don't know, trash can bag. Yeah. So let's go ahead and clean them one last time, and then do 1 or 2 hands of filler, and then move to paint and of course clear coat. Always mask up. So I already did like 1 coat. I'm gonna wait a couple minutes and I'm going to do 1 more. So it's time for another light coat, and I think that will be our last one. So this is going to be it. I think it's about time to mix up some color. Alright guys, this is the color that we are going to shoot today. So the same thing here, close the material almost all the way, and we're going to do a couple very light coats. We're shooting at about 23 to 25 psi. As you already know, I'm not a professional. If you have any tips, let me know. So as you can see, I'm shooting such a light coat that I'm really not too scared of it running or, you know, something like this. as you guys can see, these started to look quite decent now. I can see coats are pretty smooth. I'm going to do one more to cover up some spots that I've missed, and then we'll go on the clear coat. And yeah, clear is fun. And again, we're going to go down on material and see how it goes from there. Alright guys, this is how they look when they're done. Overall, I'm really happy. There are no runs. I haven't missed a spot, and overall it looks really quite good. And yeah, thanks for watching. That's funny. Alright guys, enjoy. Bye bye. Oh, what does it say? To subscribe. Ah, okay, yeah, guys, please subscribe when it says so. Please do it.